Hey everybody, how you doing this morning? It's Marla. Hopefully everybody is doing well. I was sent a couple of lip products, lip stains actually, in the mail from a company that I heard of before. The name of the company is Perfect Diary. I'm not quite sure where these are made from. Made in China. What I'm actually seeing on the box that they sent me is in English, and it says Perfect Diary Glistening Glossy Lip Stains. It's a gradient colored container, and I actually do like the container these come in. I think it's really kind of pretty. And when you take out, it's really a nice wand also. I will show you these colors in just a second. I'm going to try to read a little bit more about this. Gradient colored container, and it says it's a lightweight, hydrating texture on your lips, presents you with a natural and glossy finish. Take an appropriate amount of time of glossy lip stain. I mean, some of the stuff on the box, I just don't quite understand what they're trying to say. Place the glossy lip stain applicator at the center of your lips, just under your Cupid's bow, and then blend the color out toward the corners of your mouth. So I guess you start in the middle and go outward is from what I'm understanding. And these are the colors. I actually was sent a couple colors, so this is kind of exciting. Now, I'm sure they're not cruelty-free, coming from China. Not sure, don't want to say anything nasty, but I have a funny feeling they're not cruelty-free. There's some colors that are slightly different for containers. Some are kind of a pretty white gradient with a peachy pink, and then other ones are just kind of a light peachy color. That's the container. Okay, so I'm assuming this one is going to be the lightest, and it is called Blush. I'm not sure if it's the lightest, but I'm assuming it's the lightest. And the number on it is 019. Okay, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like on my hand. So that's Blush. Oh, that's pretty. That is Blush. And let's see, I'm going to put this on my lips. So I'm going to start kind of in the center. These smell a little sweet. It doesn't smell like chemicals. It smells a little bit like a slight sense of vanilla. These are actually really pretty. If I have to say so myself, that is really pretty. And what I like about it is I have like old crinkly lips. I don't have any lip filler in my lips, and these actually make my lips look nice. I have 63-year-old lips, guys, so they're not the best lips to be showing lipstick on. No, that's really beautiful. I'm gonna wear one of these today when I walk my dogs and everything, and I'll let you know how they last on me during the day, and I will put it at the end of the video. But that was a very pretty color. The name of that color was called Blush. Okay, so my lips are clean again, and the next one I think might be the next darkest color is called Joy, and the number on this is 022, and I'll show you what this looks like on my hand first. I actually rubbed the other one off. So this is Joy. That's a little bit darker than the Blush. I'll put it on my lips now. Start in the center. Another great color. I love the way these feel. It's very kind of soft and cushiony. They don't bleed outside my lines, and they just glide on your lips beautifully. That's the color Joy. Very pretty. So far these are kind of winners, guys. I mean, I know they may not be cruelty-free, but they are definitely winners so far with me. And when you take them off, I don't know if you can see, they did stain my lips a little bit, which is actually kind of nice. So if they do wear off, I am assuming your lips are still going to be a little bit stained. Okay, so let me let that dry, and I'm going to show you the next color. I'm assuming the next darker color would be a color called Tender. This color looks like this. I wouldn't say it's actually darker. I would say it's more on the orange side. That's what I would say. I wouldn't say it's necessarily a darker shade than the other ones, though. Let's try this on. I usually don't wear oranges, so let's see what it looks like on. And again, these are not my normal colored lips, so it does stain your lips after the fact, which I really like. A beautiful nude shade. If you love nudes, these are all really nice, really pretty. So this is the shade Tender. And I guess it would be, now that I look at it on me, slightly darker. All right, and last but not least, the last shade is called Throb. It's number 118. And let's see what this color looks like. This may be the darkest shade. Yeah, I would say this is more definitely the darkest of all the shades. You can see that it's a stain, so it's still very light. Like if I blend it out, it blends out into almost nothing. Okay, so I'm gonna put this actually on my lips now instead of my hand. So that is Throb. Really nice lip stains. Feels so good on my lips. I think they're really great, especially if you have older lips like I do. I'm somebody that does not wear dark lipstick. My lips are not my most favorite feature of my face. So if I'm going to play up a feature on my face, it would be my eyes. That is what I would normally put the makeup on to have you attracted to, not necessarily my lips. But what I like about these are they stay in my lip line, which I love. They stain my lips, which I like because a lot of times I'm eating during the day and I rarely reapply my lipstick if I am just home doing things like walking my dogs and things like that. These are nice. I really like these. I like the little containers. They feel really good in my hand. I'm going to leave a link for these down in my description box. I found the US website. Here we go. Perfect Diary. These are a $20 lip stain. I would definitely purchase these. I will also leave the US website down in my description box. And what I like about these stains is I have put on a lot of liquid lips on my lips before, and a lot of times they feel gunky and thick. I literally feel like I have nothing on my lips with these. So lightweight. I don't even feel like I have a gloss on my lips. They just feel like nothing. They don't feel sticky. It almost feels like I just put a very, very light lip balm on my lips and that's it. I am all about light lip products and things looking very natural on me. Thank you, Perfect Diary, for sending me these glistening, glossy lip stains. Take care, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye-bye from Marla.